Okay, folks, example number 4, it says zoo fundraising. Okay. It says you're organizing the annual spaghetti dinner to raise funds for a zoo. Nice. Your goal is to sell $1,500 worth of tickets, so you want to make $1,500. It says assuming 200 adults and 100 students will attend the dinner, how much should you charge for an adult ticket and for a student ticket? Well, this is kind of like problems we've done before with systems of equations and setting up stuff and solving for one of the variables. But we're not going to solve here. Okay? It's just saying how much should we charge for the tickets to make sure that we make $1,500. Well, let's think about this. We're going to have 200 adults, so it's going to be 200 times whatever we charge the adults, right? Okay? So A is the price that we charge the adults. And if we add that to 100 B, or no, not B, S for students. I don't like using S because it looks like a 5. We'll say B. B stands for students. That's how much we charge each student. Okay, if we add these two amounts together, we want to make sure that we get $1,500. Okay? Now, what I can see is that I could divide everything by 10 just to make these numbers smaller, right? So now that's going to be 20A plus 10B is equal to 150. Oh, okay. Well, I can divide it by 10 again. Okay? Like this. And that's going to give me 2A plus B is equal to 15. All right? Now, remember, in an ordered pair, we do it alphabetically. All right? So that means instead of 2x plus y equals 15, we've got 2a plus b. But we can think about it like 2x plus y. All right? So if this is y, let's graph this and let's use the intercepts method. Okay? Now remember, instead of x and y, we've got a and b. So our graph is going to look like this. Right? This is a and this is b. Okay? Because it goes alphabetical. The first letter in the alphabet is the horizontal, and the next letter is the vertical. Okay, well, let's find the intercepts. If I do 2 times 0 plus b is equal to 15, that's just going to cancel out, and I get b is equal to 15. So the b intercept is 15. I tell you what, let's make this by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so there's the b intercept at 0, 15. Okay. Now let's find the a intercept. That means make b 0. So 2a plus 0 is equal to 15. 2a equals 15. We divide both sides by 2, and a is equal to 7.5. Okay, so the a intercept's at 7.5. So this is 3, this is 6, this is 9. So that's 7.5 right there. Right? Halfway between 6 and 9. Okay. Now there's the graph. Any of these points on the graph will give us prices, will give us an A and a B that will make sure that we get 1,500. Now look at this first one up here, that one right there. That one says charge the adults 0, right? Because that's what A was, the charge for each adult. And charge each kid 15, right? Because if there are 100 kids at $15 a piece, that's $1,500. But who's going to charge the kids $15 and the adults nothing? Okay, really kind of the same thing down here. Although this might happen, you know, kids do go free sometimes. All right, if we got 7.5, 0, right? That's what this point is. It's x is 7.5, it's y is 0. That means that adults would pay $7.50 and kids would go free. I don't know. I'm going to try. Let's say we charge the adults $6. Let's just say that it's 2 times 6 plus b is equal to 15. Let's find out how much the kids would pay. 12 plus b is equal to 15. And then when we subtract 12 from both sides, I'm going to get b is equal to 3. Now that's more like it. $6 for adults. Right? $6 and then $3 for students. But you know what? How many different possibilities are there? I mean, it can't be infinite because we can only go to 2 places with money, right? With cents. But there are lots and lots of possibilities. But we could just say $6 for adults and 3 for students. That's pretty good. All right? Great job, guys. You're ready for your homework.